Alright, Shining Fates unboxing on opening day, February 19th, 2021. Got that VMAX EV on the front. Elite Trainer box. Take a look through that set list. Selby, Crobat, Ditto, all the shinies. You can get the, where is it? Oh, there's a shiny Meowth, that's interesting. Charizard VMAX, that's the one we're going for. Hopefully we'll get it in that last pack. Alright, here they are. 10 packs in the side there. Ten packs. Got some with the Charizard artwork on it. I'll get my assistant to pick out the one with Charizard in it. Alright, this one has a Charizard, so we'll be opening it last. Start with the Corviknight, I think it is. I'm not really sure what that Pokemon is. We got, I don't know the card trick, it's four from the back. I think they're all white backs. Guess the energy, water energy, psychic. Alright, not off to a good start. Dartrix, Eldegoss, got the shiny one as the tin promo. Luxio, Q-Font, Buziel, Spinarak, Shinx. I think the shiny is it next? Nope, coughing. There's the shiny on the first pack. Shiny Morgrem. And can we get a double hit like a Ditto or something? Dreadnought, just a simple Dreadnought, but one shiny on our first pack. I heard the pull rates were good, so we're off to a good start here on the shinies. Even the bottom star there is shiny. Alright, we'll save that Charizard for last two. We'll go with another Corviknight. Why not? Why not? Ooh, these packs open up very nicely. Keep the packs. 1, 2, 3, 4. We'll guess the energy. Go with fire here. Fire! Psychic for part 2. Maybe it's another shiny then. Rusted Shield, Team Yell Towel, Eldegoss, Q-Font, Grookey, Buziel. I feel like we got all these Whoa. Yanma, Trapinch, Frostmoth, Reverse Hollow, and Indeedee. Alright, set the hollows aside. Not exactly sure what this Pokemon is. Starting off with an Eevee. Alright, 2 Psychics in a row. Let's go Psychic again. Lightning. Alright. Luxio, Floatzel, Dartrix, Eevee, Horsey, Cacnea, Shinx, Nickit. I think the reverse is next. Is it a shiny? Eevee Reverse Hollow. 2 Eevees in one pack. And the VMAX Ditto or so. Oh, okay. Delmize VMAX. I think this is one of the full arts. Not bad, not bad. Pack number 3. Alright, alright. We'll leave that one off screen. So we got a full art, a shiny. Alright, we'll switch it up from the Corviknights, get a Dragapult. That's a pretty cool looking Pokemon there. Alright, let's go with the Fire Energy for the Charizard. Always look at this, make sure, okay, looks pretty good in the back. Fighting. 0 for 4 here. Luxio, Ball Guy, Tropius, Shinx, Rowlet, Eevee. Ooh, I think there's something shiny in the back there. More Pico. Is this the shiny? Boozle, Decidueye as the reverse holo, and then the holo is a Delmise V from Delmise V Max. Then we get the regular V card. Alright, we got 6 packs left, 6 more tries to get the Charizard. That's what's good about these Elite Trainer boxes. You got a lot of packs to open. Alright, we'll go with Water Energy Metal. Rotom, Rusted Sword, Eldegoss, Snom, Grookey, Eevee, more Pico, reverse, Choodle, probably the reverse here, a shiny Stonejourner. Alright, we got 2 shinies so far out of this box. And can we get a double hit here? Nope, just a Yanmega. Alright, we'll go back with this funky Pokemon here. Alright, Fire Energy here for the Charizard. It's a metal again. Is it upside down? Or I'm just holding them upside down. Thwacky, Rusted Shield, Rotom, Grookey, Trapinch, Yanma, Coughing, Morpeko, Reverse Holo Shinx, and Boss's Orders. Boss's Orders. Alright, we're not doing extremely well so far, but 4 packs left, and that Charizard pack still to go. Two shinies. We'll just keep guessing Fire Energy here. Fire a Water Energy. Alright, Thwacky, Cramorant. There's a shiny version of this one. Rusted Shield, Yanma, Trapinch, Nickit, Gossifleur, Cacnea. Ooh, there's something shiny back there. Eternus VMAX. Secret rare, a gold card, almost dropped it. Frostmouth in the back. Centering's not the greatest, but we'll take it. We'll take it. Secret rare there. Eternatus VMAX. And the Charizard still to go. Top loaded. Alright, 3 packs to go. 2 of them have the Charizard artwork. Yeah, these packs open up really nicely. Fire Energy. We gotta get at least 1 in this pack. Leaf Energy. Cramorant. Rusted Sword. Gym Trainer. Nickit. Cacnea. Koufant. Eevee. Buziel. Is it a shiny? Eldegoss shiny! Let's go. 3 shinies now? The pull rates seem pretty good. And then a double hitter? No, we cannot get that double hit. Eldegoss shiny. 3 shinies. Here we go, the Charizard VMAX packs. Guaranteed Charizard VMAX. Alright, we gotta go with that fire energy. We got one fire for the Charizard. Dartrix, Gym Trainer, Team Yell Towel, Nickit, Grookey, Yanma, Morpeko. Is this a Choodle? Shiny? Oh, Reverse Hollow Spinnerack. Maybe we'll get like a VMAX here. Just a regular Dreadnought. Alright. The last pack. This is certified weight. It's heavier than all the rest. Guaranteed a Charizard here. Shaking just opening this pack here. Shining Fates. Been waiting so long for this release. Go with water energy here. Water. Darkness. Rotom. Rusted Sword. Luxio. Rowlet. Trapinch. Let's hope for one more shiny. I've seen so much of this already. Buzzule. Coughing. Shinx. Oh, it's just a reverse hollow Floatzel. And then maybe a VMAX, like a Ditto or something. That's Selby. Selby, okay. Decent for a rare. No Charizard though. That's it for this pack. Let's look at some of the hits. We got Full Art Delmise, Eternatus VMAX Secret Rare. And we got 3 shinies. Morgrem, Stonjourner, and Eldegoss. 3 shinies, that's 30% chance of shiny or something else. Alright, thanks for watching. Till next time.